This video will show how to enter sequential data for more than 3 conditions, also how to enter them as continuous data rather than discrete data, and how to produce graphical output from the ILLMO program. So there's going to be 3 conditions. The data file is going to be a sequential file where the third column contains the dependent variable, which is the hygiene score. The second column contains the day of the festival 1, 2, or 3 at which this hygiene score was measured, and the first column indicates whether the person was male or female. So we can enter the data. So the data values is going to be in column 3. The condition is going to be in column 2, and we might only select, for instance, only the data for male participants by selecting this data. As we said, we want to read the data as continuous since it has decimal values. And if we don't specify any histogram bin size, then we will only be able to create cumulative histograms. If we also want to produce regular histograms, we might specify a histogram bin size, which we can, for instance, set to 0.1. So we can enter the sequential data, load the sequential data. The file is called Festival Hygiene. So after closing this data, if we just show only cumulative histograms for 2 conditions, we could change this, for instance, from condition 3 to condition 2, and we can also show regular histograms as we have. Okay. Decided to specify a bin size equal to 0.1. Now, any of these images can be saved by just clicking on the icon. The image will be saved as a PNG file. Another option is to save data as GNU-plot files, as we can edit these files. For instance, if I remove this option, then you will see that the corresponding icon disappears. But if we turn it back on and we say we just want to create an image of that file, we just name it test for the time being. Take a while, but then it creates this image, which is derived actually from the text file being generated here, and which is run through the GNU-plot public software. So you can edit the name of the, for instance, of the plot. You can edit the names that are on the axis.